Today I'm going to show how you can enable private mode in Emporia SMART 5. So let's start from the Microsoft Edge. Click on the tab icon, switch to private, and click on the plus. That's it. Now the Opera, exactly same. Click on the tab icon, switch to private, and click on the red plus. Sorry, not this app. Now the Firefox. Open a new tab like here and click on this arrow mask. And the Google Chrome. Click on the three-dot icon and choose New Incognito tab. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like, recommend, and goodbye.